What I wish I knew at 12 instead of 22. Peace is within reach when you release negative energies. Negative energies can hold us back, but releasing them brings us closer to our higher self. Let's dive into how we can heal and transmute these energies into love, peace, and happiness. First, mindfulness and meditation. Observe your thoughts without judgment. Try guided meditations that focus on healing. Visualization techniques can help you change negative energy into positive. Next, energy healing techniques. Reiki is a powerful practice that channels healing energy. Balancing your chakras can release blockages. Sound healing with specific frequencies can restore harmony. For emotional release, journaling is key. Write out your feelings to process them. Breath work helps release pent-up emotions. Movement therapies like dance or yoga can free your body and mind. Affirmations and positive reprogramming are also important. Create affirmations to counter negative beliefs. Practice positive self-talk daily. Use vision boards to picture your desired outcomes. Nature and grounding techniques are essential. Spend time in nature to recharge. Grounding exercises connect you with the earth. Use natural elements like crystals for healing. Recap these methods and find what works best for you. Remember, the journey towards love, peace, and happiness is personal. Explore and embrace your path to unlock your inner peace.